Victoria Falls, prime destination choice for meetings, incentives, conferences, exhibitions. It's the backbone of business travel, connecting professionals, inspiring ideas, and showcasing innovation. It's also more than badges and boardrooms. It's about blending purpose with pleasure, creating moments that enrich the mind and enliven the spirit. That's where we come in. Whether it's gliding on the Zambezi to unwind after a day of dialogue, laughing through a sunset safari, deepening connections amid candlelit warmth, and the pulse of local beats, we've got you covered. So when delegates ask, what's next? Who will you partner with?